Today our topic is computer generation. First generation of computer. Eckert and Mauchner developed the first electronic computer ENIAC in 1946 in the USA. Vacuum tube was the core element in first generation computer. The time period of first generation computer was from 1946 to 1959. Punch card and paper tape was secondary storage, limited internal storage capacity and show input-output operation. Consume lot of electricity. It is not portable. Machine code used for as a programming language. Names of computer that developed in first generation: ENIAC, EDVAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC. Second generation of computer. The second generation computer are IBM 700 Atlas and ICL 1901. Transistor was the core element in second generation computer. The time period of second generation of computer was from 1959 to 1965. Tapes and magnetic disc was used for second generation. High level procedural languages Fortran and COBOL was used. Required less power to operate, smaller, faster and reliable than first generation of computer. Magnetic core was used for primary storage. Third generation of computer. Third generation of computer are IBM 360, NCR 395, TDC 316 developed by Jack Kelvin. Integrated circuit was the core element in third generation of computer. The time period of third generation of computer was from 1965 to 1971. Magnetic disk was used for secondary storage, developed of mini computer. In this generation, OS was developed, smaller than second generation, high-level programming language like Fortran 2 to 4, COBOL, Pascal, etc. Fourth generation of computer. The fourth generation of computer are DEC 10 star 1000 etc. Large scale integrated circuit was a core element and VLSIC. The time period of fourth generation computer was from 1971 to 1985. Semiconductor was used for primary storage. Development of microcomputer or PC. In this generation, microprocessors are used. High-level language like C, C++, and DBMS used in this generation. Application development by user with user-friendly. Fifth generation of computer. The fifth generation of computer was desktop, laptop, plumtop, etc. Ultra large scale integration is the core element. The time period of fifth generation of computer was from 1985 till date. RAM and ROM is used for primary storage. HDD and STD is used for secondary storage. All high-level programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, etc. Summary of 1 to 5 computer generation. First generation, core element, vacuum tube, time period 1946 to 1959. Second generation, core element, transistor, time period 1959 to 1965. Third generation, core element, IC, time period 1965 to 1971. Fourth generation, VLSIC, time period 1971 to 1985. Last, fifth generation, core element, ULSI, time period 1985 to till date. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.